on that, download it. If someone is like Hardik को पसंद नहीं है, copy the prompt again, go to new topic, paste it here and write again. Create again. Now it's absolutely free of cost. It's never going to tell you no. It's never going to tell that hey, it's never ever going to tell you that hey, I want some salary, which this in 2020. And the most sad part is 99% Indians out of 130 crore Indians do not know that this kind of thing is free of cost. You just need to learn the skill of AI. How many people are mind blown? Let me know the chat box. They are absolutely speechless. They don't know what to say. Right? Copyright issues? No, you are the owner of this property. It's not taking someone else's content, it's creating it on its own. That's great. I'm speechless. That's awesome, sir. Perfect. Take a minute, just a sec. There is one person who's continuously spamming. Yashwant, please do not spam again and again in the Zoom chat. You're spoiling the flow of thought. So wait for it. Your subjective queries, I will answer that. Now tell me, what's your reaction?
Mind blown. Wow. Does it create videos? For videos, there is a different software. Unbelievable. Superb. Great. Awesome. That's great. ChatGPT 4.0 can do it. Yes, it can do it, but you need to pay $20. This is absolutely free of cost. Now I'm going to close the chat box and let me show you. Let me show you what all things you can do. Now guys, let's say I'm just going to open Excel. This is my normal Excel. And I'm going to open a dummy data set. Let me open a dummy data. Let's say this is a dummy data set. How many people have ever seen this kind of a dummy data? Have you ever worked on Excel? Is that a yes? Especially working professionals. Is that a yes? If I tell you to create an Excel report or dashboard, how much time will it take? Like pivot tables, pivot charts, how much time will you take to do that? Yes? 30 minutes, 4 to 5 hours, 30 minutes, 15 minutes, 1 hour, 10 hours, 1 hour, 30 minutes, depend on the data, 2 hours, 1 hour, Power BI, 30 to 40 minutes, see this guys. I'm going to close the chat box. If you just learn this modern AI, I just told you to create pivot tasks, pivot tables, pivot charts, get data analysis, key insights, all of it. There is Excel AI. Home, analyze data. Once you click on that, the whole data will be selected. One click, pivot table ready. One click, pivot chart ready. One click, one more pivot chart ready. All editable, all as per your convenience, and not one or three. Advanced pivot charts like line chart also can be done. And guys, I can go on and on. If you want some sort of, let's say, histogram, bar chart, cluster chart, any kind of chart, scatter plots, one click that's done. One click, this kind of a chart is done. One click, this pivot chart is ready. All the key insights are ready. Like I almost created 7-8 charts in front of you in just 7-8 seconds. And this is where, guys, I would request you, learn this technology, upgrade yourself, update yourself, and you will be having a life-changing experience. Now, guys, I will come back to this again. I will going to show you the most latest thing you will ever see in the world in the history of AI as of now. I want to ask just how many people here are coders? Coding, जिसको coding आता है, any sort of coding, CSS, Python, whatever, SQL, whatever coding. Me, Python, me. Like minority. Now how many people are like who are non-coders? Drop me in the chat box. They will be having like large majority will be non-coders, right? Non-coder, me, sir, me, non-coder. Now guys, see this. Full stack developer, Python, Java, okay. I'm going to close the chat box. Let me show you. The person who does not know coding, congratulations, you can do coding in 2024 without learning it. The person who have said, I know Python, Java, do not worry, do not get upset. You will become a supercharged AI-enabled profession if you know this. Now see this, guys. This is altogether a different software which is called as Claude AI, which is by Google and Amazon. Google and Amazon are backing this startup Claude AI. They are the biggest investor in that. Now here I've added one image, a dummy image. As you can see, guys, it's a PNG file, which has some interface which you might have seen on Instagram, LinkedIn, right? I've
I've
added
added
this
this
and
and
I'm
I'm
telling
telling
AI,
AI,
one
one
AI tool
AI
which
tool
is
which is
Claude AI
Claude
by
AI
the
by
way,
the
to
way, to
convert this
convert this
design into
design
a
into a
React
React
component
component
using
using
Tailwind
Tailwind
CSS. The
CSS. The
coders would be
coders
able
would
to
be able to
understand this.
understand this.
CSS
CSS
is an
is an
language where you
language
can
where you can
design
design
websites. ठीक है?
websites. ठीक है?
With the help
With the
of
help
which
of
you
which you
can
can
design
design
websites. It's
websites, it's
HTML भी
HTML भी
involved होता
involved
है.
होता है.
There are
There are
multiple
multiple
things, but
things,
I'm
but
just
I'm
showing
just
you one
showing you one
example. See
example.
this
See
one
this one
image,
image,
one
one
single
single
prompt.
prompt.
Click on
Click on
enter
enter
and see my
and see
hat.
my hat.
Without
Without
knowing
knowing
anything
anything
about
about
coding,
coding,
without
without
coming
coming
from
from
coding
coding
background,
background,
just
just
uploading one
uploading one
image on
image
an
on an
AI
AI
tool
tool
and
and
telling it
telling it
to,
to,
on the
on the
basis of
basis
that
of that
image,
image,
guys,
guys,
you
you
can
can
literally
literally
create
create
codes out
codes
of
out
it.
of it.
And not just
Not
that
just that
coding,
coding,
guys, once
guys.
the
Once the
coding is
coding
done,
is
it is
done, it
going
is
to
going
tell
to
you
tell you
where to
where to
put,
put,
how to
how to
put,
put,
and how
and
to
how to
utilize
utilize
this.
this.
And
And the biggest problem,
the
the
biggest
biggest
problem in
problem
the
in the
coding world,
coding
you know
world, you know
what?
what?
All the
All the
coders in the
coders in
house,
the
the
house,
moment
the
I
moment
open
I
the
open the
chat
chat
box, they
box, they
might be like,
might be like,
Hardik, this is
Hardik, this
cool,
is
this is
cool, this is
awesome.
awesome.
But
But
Hardik,
Hardik,
what if
what
there is
if
a
there is a
single
single
bug?
bug?
Bug
Bug
means
means
error.
error.
In
In
layman
layman
language, what
language,
if
what
there is
if
a
there is a
single error?
single error?
In the
In the
code, this
code,
code
this
won't
code won't
work.
work.
And the
And the
thing which I'm
thing
going
which
to
I'm going
tell
to
you,
tell
all
you,
the
all the
coders in the
coders in the
house,
house,
I know
I know
at
at
some point
some
of
point
time
of
in your
time in your
career, you
career
might
you
have
might have
sent for
sent for
hours to
hours to
debug a
debug a
code,
code,
but
but
that's
that's
not
not
really
really
required. There
required.
is a
There is a
website
website
called
called
as
as
debug,
debug,
debugcode.ai,
debugcode.ai,
which
which
can
can
debug codes
debug
from
codes from
JavaScript,
JavaScript,
Python,
Python,
C,
C,
C++,
C++,
others,
others,
React
React
भी
भी
है,
है,
CSS भी
CSS
है,
भी है,
HTML.
HTML.
You do
You do
not have
not
to
have
do
to
those
do those
things
things
manually.
manually.
Create
Create
codes
codes
using
using
AI,
AI,
debug
debug
code
code
using AI.
using AI.
Literally, you
Literally,
do
you
not
do
have
not
to
have
do
to
this
do
kind
this
of
kind of
things
things
manually
manually
in
in
2024, my
2024, my
friend.
friend.
Now,
Now,
both the
both the
categories of
categories of
people,
people,
non-coders,
non-coders,
coders,
coders,
what's your
what's your
reaction? How
reaction?
many
How many
people are
people are
speechless? How
speechless?
many
How many
people are
people are
mind
mind
blown?
blown?
One
One
image
image
has been
has been
transformed into
transformed into
coding
coding
live in
live in
front of
front
you.
of you.
Do you have
Do you
any
have any
words?
words?
Crazy? Speechless?
Speechless.
I got
I got
stunned.
stunned.
Bro, this
Bro, this
works. It's
works. It's
100% works.
100% works.
It's great. Speechless.
Speechless.
Amazing.
Amazing.
Super.
Superb.
Cloud AI is
AI
free.
is free.
Yes,
Yes,
every
every
technology is
technology
free.
is
Of
free.
course,
Of
it's
course,
just
it's
that
just that
people are
people are
not
not
leveraging it.
leveraging it.
You can
You can
simply click
simply
on
click on
copy code.
copy
You can
code. You
run
can
it
run it
also.
also.
And if there
And
is
if there
any
is any
bug in the
bug in the
code, I've
code, I
shown
have
you the
shown you the
website where you
website where
can
you can
debug it.
debug it.
Now, sir, can we
Sir, can
use
we use
PPT?
PPT?
Can we
Can
make
we make
PPTs in
PPTs in
Copilot?
Copilot,
Share
Share
Aura?
Aura?
Yes,
Yes,
AI
AI
can do
can do
all your
all your
work.
work.
Now,
Now,
guys,
guys,
before I
before
come
I
to
come to
more
more
stuff, let
stuff,
me
let
tell
me
you,
tell you,
as of
as
now,
of now,
guys,
guys,
so
so
far
far
in this
in this
webinar, we have
webinar, we have
almost
almost
spent
spent
45 minutes
45 minutes
together. I know
together. I
many
know
people
many
would have
people would
like,
have like,
Hardik,
Hardik,
45 minutes
45
ho
minutes
bhi
ho
gaya.
bhi gaya.
45 minutes
45
ho
minutes
bhi
ho
gaya.
bhi gaya.
And guys,
And
in
guys,
this
in this
45
45
minutes, I've
minutes, I've
helped you to
helped you to
become
become
part of
part of
001%
001%
category of
category of
Indians
Indians
as
as
of
of
now,
now,
who are
who are
aware of
aware of
modern
modern
technologies like
technologies like
Microsoft
Microsoft
Copilot, and you
Copilot,
have
and you have
also
also
seen
seen
daily
daily
use
use
case where you
case where you
can
can
use
use
this in
this
your
in your
daily
daily
workflow.
workflow.
I've shown
I've
you
shown
how
you
to
how
use
to use
AI to
AI
get
to get
latest
latest
updates, how to
updates, how to
summarize your
summarize your
online
online
articles, how
articles,
to
how to
summarize your
summarize your
online
online
PDFs,
PDFs,
how
how
to
to
summarize your
summarize your
professional
professional
documents
documents
without
without
worrying about
worrying
data
about data
security or
security or
data
data
privacy or
privacy or
anything like
anything
that.
like that.
How to write professional emails using AI, how to use AI to get high paying job offers, how to
How to
use
use
AI to
AI to
generate
generate
images,
images,
how to
how to
use
use
AI,
AI,
leverage AI
leverage
for
AI for
automations
automations
without
without
coming from
coming from
coding
coding
background to
background to
simplify
simplify
your
your
work
work
and
and
save you
save you
2 hours
2 hours
daily
daily
without
without
charging a
charging a
single
single
rupee
rupee
from you,
from you
guys.
guys.
How's your
How's your
feeling? How
feeling?
many
How many
people are
people are
fully
fully
satisfied?
satisfied?
Have you ever
Have you ever
attended this
attended
kind of
this
a
kind of
free
a free
webinar where you're
webinar where you're
getting
getting
insane value
insane
for
value
free
for
of
free
cost?
of
What's
cost?
your
What's your
take on
take
this?
on
Let
this?
me know in
Let
the
me know in
chat
the chat
box.
box.
Crazy? You're the
You're the
best?
best.
Really
Really
satisfied?
satisfied.
How many
How
people
many
think
people think
this
this
was
was
worth your
worth your
time? Is
time?
that a
Is that a
yes
yes
so
so
far?
far?
Before we
Before
move
we
to the
move to
next
the next
things.
things.
इंस्टाग्राम
Perfect.
Perfect.
देख अम्मा आज जाए के बाद में सुन सुनावत हुई आवाज
Don't want you guys to be part of
Part of
such
such
news.
news.
How many
How
people
many
have
people
seen
have seen
such
such
news?
news?
यहाँ पे
यहाँ पे
layoff
layoff
laid off senior
senior
manager,
manager,
laid off
laid
the
off the
entire
entire
team.
team.
People are getting fear of job, AI is replacing them, blah blah, this and that, and not just guys, this kind of one or two categories. People from startups, MNCs, lakhs of people have been laid off. People having specific job roles like coders, developer getting laid off, accounting, finance people getting laid off, and that is not something I'm telling you. I'm showing you with proper screenshots from Yahoo, Business Insider. You can Google it for yourself. People like AI replaces near 4,000 marketing jobs, lawyers, doctors, and then there was copywriters, designers, like doctors who are not get replaced by AI, but doctors who don't use AI will get replaced by doctors who are using AI. Same with lawyers and legal profession. And same with engineers, managers, developers. And you have seen it for yourself. And guys, the most sad part here, there are so many students I want to tell them as well. An entire job, an entire generation of people is working in jobs that won't even exist in future. And guys, AI is changing rapidly. And this webinar is my genuine attempt. All the people who have attended this, I wanted you to become AI literate. I want you to learn AI as soon as possible. So you guys are not part of such users. And guys, let me give you one wow moment. Let me give you one hope. Guys, if you compete with AI, you will lose. Hardik, why you are so sure of it? Because let me tell you a simple reason. AI is faster, AI is better, AI is cheaper. You have seen Claude AI, you have seen Microsoft Copilot, all this amazing technology. It's how much rupees you have to pay for it? Zero. But you as a human, will you work for someone for free of cost? Will you work for your boss for free of cost? You need salary. And that's obvious because you have family to feed, right? You have so many responsibilities. So no person in this entire world can compete with AI. That's for sure. Hardik, so I'm scared right now. What should I do? Let me make you relax. Let me make you chill right now. You have to work with AI, you will win. And guys, we have almost spent 50 minutes together. Just close your eyes. Just visualize one thing. As I'm saying. For the last 50 minutes, have you observed one thing? Like we have got latest updates using AI. We have summarized our articles. We have summarized our PDF. We have created codes. We have done Excel analysis. We have generated images. We have searched for jobs. Like so many things we have done in last 50 minutes. But was it everything happening on its own? Was Claude AI doing everything on its own? No. There was a human. Hardik was telling AI what to do and AI was doing it. So guys, the idea here is the insight here is the reality here is that guys, AI is not going to replace you. There won't be a co-pilot sitting on this chair any day in the future and teaching you guys. But a person using AI will. A person like Hardik Raja. If that person is AI literate, he knows how to do 10x more work. Obviously, your company is going to choose me over you. Because I can do 10x of your work. 10x more work or 10 people ka work at the same time because I know how to use AI. So the idea here is guys, AI is won't going to replace you directly. A person using AI will. And that has been originally said by the world's richest person, Elon Musk. And that's what I wanted to tell you. That's what I wanted to show you live on this call. How many people agree with this? Can I get MS in the chat box if you agree? It makes sense. Hardik, this particular thing absolutely makes sense. How many people agree with this statement? Let me know. Makes sense? Makes sense. Not a single person is disagreeing. Makes sense for sure. Makes sense. I agree. Makes sense. It makes sense. 100% agreed. And guys, if I have to tell you that guys, I know I tried my best. I've done this pre-webinar. I've taught you as much as possible. But the sad part here is guys, 1 hour is not possible to master or to become a AI literate person or to make your career AI proof. Then Hardik, how much time should I put? I'm ready to make the commitment. Hardik, I'm a dedicated person. I'm ready to become a AI literate, so I don't have to lose my job to a person who's using AI. I want to be that person. So let me tell you guys, you just have to spend 6 hours. If you just spend 6 hours, guys, you will become an AI literate person. Hardik, how is that possible? What's the roadmap, Hardik? What tool should I master? As per my job, what should be my priority? Let me show you guys. You can master everything about AI in just 6 hours, in just 3 days to be specific, by just spending 2 hours with me daily. in
in
my
my
3-day
3-day
live
live
interactive
interactive
boot camp, which
bootcamp,
is
which is
all
all
about
about
making you
making you
AI
AI
literate
literate
person,
person,
a
a
working
working
professional who
professional
wants
who
to
wants to
become a
become a
AI
AI
enabled
enabled
working
working
professional, a
professional, a
student who
student
want
who
to
want to
make a
make a
AI
AI
proof
proof
career.
career.
Let me
Let
show
me show
you
you
how you
how
can
you
get
can
it.
get it.
And
And
guys,
guys,
before I
before
show
I
you
show you
anything,
anything,
before I
before
tell
I
you
tell you
anything,
anything,
let me
let
tell
me
you
tell
that
you that
I'm
I'm
so
so
much
much
confident
confident
and I'm
and
so
I'm
much
so much
confident about
confident
this
about
boot
this
camp, and
bootcamp.
I've
And I've
helped
helped
so many
so many
thousands of
thousands of
people in
people in
India with
India
this
with this
boot camp
bootcamp
that
that
I'm
I'm
rolling out
rolling out
a
a
hundred
hundred
percent money
percent
back
money back
guarantee.
guarantee.
So
So
price
price
won't be an
won't be an
issue
issue
here,
here,
guys. If
guys.
you
If you
don't like
don't
it,
like
take
it, take
100% money
100%
back.
money back.
No
No
question
question
asked,
asked,
no
no
terms and
terms and
condition, no
condition, no
asterisk mark,
asterisk mark,
nothing like
nothing
that.
like that.
Straight away,
Straight away,
one to
one to
one,
one,
100% money
100%
back.
money back.
But
But
before,
before,
if I
if I
reveal the
reveal the
price, let
price,
me
let
show
me
you.
show you.
Your
Your
guys,
guys,
all the
all the
people,
people,
anyone who's
anyone
at
who's at
age of
age of
60
60
or
or
anyone who's
anyone who's
at
at
age of
age of
18,
18,
all the
all the
people are
people are
welcome,
welcome
because
because
here you
here you
don't
don't
require
require
any
any
prior
prior
knowledge.
knowledge.
You do
You
not
do not
require any
require any
prior
prior
AI
AI
knowledge.
knowledge.
You do
You
not
do not
require
require
any
any
prior
prior
certifications or
certifications or
knowledge.
knowledge.
Hardik,
Hardik,
why?
why?
Ask
Ask
yourself.
yourself.
In the
In the
last
last
50
50
minutes,
minutes,
did you
did you
ever know
ever know
something
something
about
about
Copilot?
Copilot?
But I
But I
taught you
taught you
everything.
everything.
Similar
Similar
approach will
approach
be
will be
taken in
taken
this
in this
3-day
3-day
boot camp, which
bootcamp,
will be
which will be
completely
completely
live.
live.
Recordings will be
Recordings will be
given,
given,
materials will
materials
be
will be
given,
given,
AI
AI
tools ka
tools
access will
access
be
will be
given
given
without
without
you
you
worrying
worrying
about
about
any
any
qualifications,
qualifications,
prior
prior
knowledge, or
knowledge, or
something like
something
that.
like that.
Plus,
Plus,
guys, you will
guys,
be
you will be
getting a
getting a
certificate
certificate
from my
from my
side for
side
this
for this
3-day
3-day
boot camp,
bootcamp,
which will
which will
have
have
unique
unique
ID,
ID,
which will
which will
have
have
verification
verification
code on
code
it.
on it.
So your
So your
recruiters
recruiters
can
can
verify the
verify the
same as
same
well.
as well.
Plus,
Plus,
guys,
guys,
in this
in this
3-day
3-day
boot camp,
bootcamp,
Hardik,
Hardik,
today we
today we
saw
saw
one
one
AI tool,
AI
but
tool,
in
but
this
in this
3-day
3-day
boot camp, how
bootcamp, how
many AI
many AI
tools we are
tools
going
we
to
are going to
see?
see?
We are going
We
to
are going
see
to see
35
35
plus
plus
free AI
free AI
tools, where
tools
you
where you
don't have
don't
to
have to
worry
worry
about a
about a
single
single
rupee, where you
rupee, where
don't
you
have to
don't
pay
have
a
to pay a
single rupee,
single
my
rupee, my
friend. We have
friend. We
done
have done
a
a
6
6
month
month
plus
plus
ka
ka
research
research
to
to
come out
come
with
out with
31st AI
31st AI
tools,
tools,
35
35
AI
AI
tools,
tools,
which are
which are
guaranteed to
guaranteed
save
to
it to
save it
us
to us
daily as a
daily as a
working
working
professional.
professional.
Plus,
Plus,
guys,
guys,
the
the
last but
last
not
but
the
not the
least,
least,
recordings
recordings
plus
plus
flexible
flexible
schedules are
schedules are
also
also
available
available
as per
as per
your
your
convenience. So you
convenience. So
don't
you
have
don't
to
have to
wait for
wait
me
for
to
me to
come
come
as per
as
my
per my
convenience.
convenience.
You can
You can
select
select
batches which
batches
are
which are
convenient to you
convenient to you
whenever you
whenever
have
you
the
have the
time.
time.
And if you're
And if you're
excited that
excited that
Hardik, I
Hardik, I
wanted to
wanted to
continue this
continue
journey
this
with
journey
you,
with
I
you, I
like the way
like
you
the way you
teach, and I
teach, and I
want you to
want
be
you to
my
be my
mentor for
mentor
this
for this
AI
AI
world.
world.
Let me
Let
tell
me
you
tell you
guys,
guys,
this
this
boot camp
bootcamp
is
is
happening
happening
in
in
next
next
month,
month,
and the
and
day
the day
one will
one
be
will be
5th of
5th of
July
July
2024,
2024,
where we are
where we
going
are
to
going to
master
master
generative
generative
AI
AI
tools
tools
technology.
technology.
First day,
First day,
first
first
learning
learning
to
to
make you an
make you
AI
an AI
literate
literate
person is
person is
understanding the
understanding the
skill of
skill of
prompt
prompt
engineering.
engineering.
But
But
Hardik, I'm
Hardik,
from
I'm from
sales.
sales.
Hardik, I'm
Hardik,
from
I'm from
non-IT.
non-IT.
Is this
Is
skill
this skill
required?
required?
My
My
friend, the
friend, the
skill of
skill of
talking to
talking to
AI will
AI will
become a
become a
skill which
skill
will
which
be
will be
mandatory for
mandatory for
every
every
working
working
professional in the
professional in the
future.
future.
Because if
Because
you're
if you're
someone in the
someone in the
future who is
future who
like
is like
Isaac, I
Isaac, I
don't know how
don't
to
know how to
interact with
interact
AI
with AI
tools,
tools.
you will be
You will be
someone who will
someone
be
who will be
left
left
behind with the
behind with the
people who are
people who are
leveraging AI.
leveraging AI.
So
So
first
first
agenda,
agenda,
first
first
motive to
motive to
help you
help you
understand the
understand the
skill of
skill of
prompt
prompt
engineering,
engineering,
how to
how to
talk to
talk to
AI
AI
bots, how
bots,
to
how to
talk to
talk to
AI
AI
tools,
tools,
how to
how to
understand that
understand that
technology,
technology,
what are
what are
large
large
language
language
models, and
models,
in a
and in
very
a very
layman
layman
language,
language,
no
no
technical
technical
stuff,
stuff,
no
no
fancy
fancy
jargon.
jargon.
Second is
Second
where
is
you
where you
apply those
apply those
learnings on
learnings on
four
four
most
most
prominent
prominent
chatbots.
chatbots.
First and
First and
foremost, we are
foremost,
going
we
to
are going to
see and
see and
master is
master is
Copilot in
Copilot in
detail.
detail.
Then we are
Then
going
we
to
are going to
see
see
Claude AI
Claude
by
AI by
Google and
Google and
Amazon.
Amazon.
Then we are
Then
going
we
to
are going
see
to see
Google
Google
Gemini.
Gemini.
And
And
last but
last
not,
but not,
not the
not the
least, we are
least,
going
we are
to
going to
master
master
coding via ChatGPT, because
because
ChatGPT
ChatGPT
works
works
very
very
well
well
when
when
it
it
comes
comes
to
to
coding.
coding.
It
It
debugs the
debugs the
code as
code
well.
as well.
You don't
You
have to
don't
go
have to
to
go
any
to
other
any
tool.
other tool.
We're going to
We're going
see
to see
all the
all the
most
most
four
four
prominent
prominent
chatbots,
chatbots.
and then
And
we are
then we
going
are
to
going to
see
see
AI
AI
tools for
tools for
generative
generative
technology,
technology,
AI
AI
tools to
tools to
create
create
images,
images,
AI
AI
tools to
tools to
create
create
videos,
videos,
AI
AI
tools
tools
to
to
create
create
audios,
audios,
AI tools
AI
to
tools to
transform your
transform your
audio. You
audio.
might
You
have
might have
seen
seen
reels
reels
like
like
Modi ji ka
Modi ji
voice
ka
and
voice and
Ronaldo ka
Ronaldo ka
voice.
voice.
All
All
those
those
things will
things
be
will be
done
done
practically
practically
on this
on this
call,
call,
where I
where
will
I
be
will be
taking in a
taking in a
batch wise
batch-wise
format. So
format.
this
So
is
this
one
is one
batch which is
batch which is
happening on
happening on
July
July
5th of
5th of
July,
July,
where
where
there will
there
be
will be
selective
selective
people
people
qualified for
qualified
this
for this
batch,
batch,
where they
where
can
they can
interact with
interact
me,
with
where
me,
they
where
can
they can
chat with
chat with
me.
me.
You can
You can
chat me
chat
on
me on
WhatsApp. You
WhatsApp.
will
You
be
will
able
be
to
able to
interact and
interact
you'll
and you
solve your
solve your
doubts on a
doubts on a
one-on-one
one-on-one
basis as
basis
well.
as well.
Plus,
Plus,
we are going
we are
to
going to
end our
end
day
our day
one
one
with
with
AI
AI
tools to
tools
make
to make
PPTs
PPTs
for free
for
of
free of
cost.
cost.
Yes, your
Yes, your
PowerPoint
PowerPoint
presentations
presentations
made by
made by
AI
AI
in
in
just
just
5
5
seconds,
seconds,
stunning
stunning
presentations
presentations
without paying
without
a
paying a
single rupee
single rupee
extra.
extra.
And guys,
And
let
guys,
me
let
show
me
you
show
the
you the
proof
proof
that it
that
will
it
be
will
a
be a
private
private
WhatsApp
WhatsApp
group.
group.
where you will share your outputs, what you are actually making, what you are actually learning. You're going to see your feedback, you're going to see other people as well, you're going to interact with them, you are going to make a community of like-minded people. And it's
And it's
not about
not about
jobs,
job.
guys. I
Guys, I
wanted to
wanted to
specifically show you
specifically
this
show you this
example. See
example.
this
See this
doctor.
doctor.
If you're
If
someone
there's
who's
someone
like,
who's like,
Hardik, I'm
Hardik,
a
I'm
data
a
analyst,
data
I'm a
analyst, I'm a
chartered
chartered
accountant, should I
accountant, should
learn
I
AI?
learn AI?
You
You
should.
should.
That's a
That's a
no-brainer. But
no-brainer.
can you
But
see
can you
this?
see
There
this?
are
There are
doctors who are
doctors who are
trying to
trying to
upskill
upskill
yourself.
yourself.
So
So
no
no
category. It's
category. It's
not
not
category
category
driven. There are
driven. There are
people or
people or
senior
senior
people at
people
the
at
age
the
of
age of
50. They are
50.
like,
They are like,
Hardik, I
Hardik, I
made my
made my
first AI
first AI
image with
image
you.
with you.
So I
So I
urge
urge
everyone to
everyone to
join this
join this
batch
batch
as soon
as
as
soon as
possible
possible
because the
because the
seats are
seats
going
are going
fast. And
fast.
guys,
And
this
guys,
is
this is
just day
just
one.
day one.
Day two
Day
will
two
be
will be
all
all
about
about
soft
soft
skills and
skills and
productivity.
productivity.
AI tools
AI
of
tools of
productivity and
productivity and
management.
management.
How to
How to
save
save
2 hours
2 hours
daily
daily
using your
using your
AI
AI
tool as
tool
per
as per
your
your
job
job
profile.
profile.
We are going
We're
to
going to
see
see
AI
AI
tools for
tools for
interview.
interview.
How to
How to
conduct a
conduct a
Google-based
Google-based
interview
interview
using an
using
AI
an
tool.
AI tool.
For
For
specific
specific
job roles
job
like
roles like
product
product
manager,
manager,
data
data
analyst,
analyst,
senior
senior
analyst,
analyst,
whatever
whatever
job role
job
is.
role is.
AI
AI
tools to
tools to
make
make
resume which
resume
can
which
beat
can
the
beat the
ATS.
ATS.
ATS is
ATS
what?
is what
Applicant
applicant
tracking
tracking
system.
system.
AI
AI
tools to
tools
make
to
you a
make you a
better
better
communicator.
communicator.
AI
AI
tools to
tools to
avoid
avoid
resolve your
resolve your
public
public
speaking
speaking
fear.
fear.
And AI
And AI
tools to
tools to
avoid
avoid
fumbling and
fumbling and
fluency.
fluency.
All of
All of
this in
this
the
in the
sixth
sixth
learning.
learning.
Seven
Seven
learning will
learning
be
will be
all
all
about
about
Power
Power
Query in
Query in
Microsoft
Microsoft
Excel.
Excel.
How to
How to
use
use
Power
Power
Query to
Query to
automate your
automate your
Excel
Excel
task
task
without
without
learning
learning
macros,
macros,
VBAs, or
VBAs,
some
or some
advanced
advanced
coding.
coding.
Then
Then
last but
last
not
but
the
not
least,
the
we are
least,
going
we are
to
going to
see
see
how to
how to
leverage
leverage
Power
Power
BI
BI
AI
AI
features.
features.
How
How
to
to
integrate
integrate
Power
Power
BI
BI
into
into
PowerPoint
PowerPoint
as
as
well
well
without
without
worrying
worrying
about
about
any
any
prior
prior
knowledge.
knowledge.
Do
Do
not have to
not
worry
have to
about
worry
that.
about that.
Everything
Everything
will be
will be
covered in the
covered in
eighth
the eighth
learning.
learning.
And
And
again, day
again,
2
day
will
two
be
will be
having,
having
6th of
6th of
July will be
July will be
having.
having.
It's
It's
dedicated
dedicated
Q&A
Q&A
and
and
feedback
feedback
sessions.
sessions.
See this.
See this.
Hi
Hi
Hardik, I've
Hardik,
been
I've been
attending other
attending other
online
online
courses as
courses
well,
as
but
well,
what
but
sets
what
your
sets
work
your work
apart
apart
is the
is the
amount of
amount of
quality of
quality of
content you
content you
render in a
render in a
specific
specific
duration.
duration.
Your
Your
program is
program
well
is well
curated,
curated,
convenient for
convenient for
working
working
professionals.
professionals.
Then
Then
Hardik, I'm
Hardik,
so
I'm so
inspired by the
inspired by the
class
class
today.
today.
Learn a lot
Learn
of
a lot
things
of things
about
about
AI,
AI,
especially the
especially
art
the
of
art of
prompt,
prompt,
creating
creating
images
images
using
using
AI
AI
tool,
tool,
finance
finance
session to
session to
convert
convert
PPT to
PPT to
prompt.
prompt.
Then there are
Then there are
notes
notes
given to
given to
people.
people.
There are
There are
people who have
people who
built
have
their
built their
resume
resume
using
using
AI.
AI.
People they
People
have
they have
created
created
audios
audios
using AI.
using
They
AI.
would
They
have
would have
never
never
thought that
thought
it
that
would
it
be
would be
so
so
easy for a
easy for a
non-technical
non-technical
person.
person.
There are
There are
people who have
people who have
seen how
seen
you can
how you
use
can use
ChatGPT
ChatGPT
paid
paid
version which
version
has
which has
free
free
access.
access.
All of
All of
this
this
in
in
the
the
live
live
call
call
on the
on the
interactive
interactive
basis where
basis
I'm
where I'm
sharing
sharing
notes,
notes,
people are
people are
reacting, you
reacting,
can
you can
communicate with
communicate with
me
me
any point
any
of
point
time.
of time.
And day
And
3,
day
the
three, the
final day,
final
the
day, the
judgment day,
judgment
we are
day,
going
we
to
are
see
going to see
7th of
7th of
July,
July,
integrating
integrating
AI in
AI in
MS
MS
Office.
Office.
AI and
AI and
automation in
automation in
MX
MX
Excel,
Excel,
AI and
AI and
automation in
automation in
Microsoft
Microsoft
PowerPoint,
PowerPoint,
AI
AI
tools for
tool for
advanced
advanced
data
data
analysis and
analysis and
business
business
analysis.
analysis.
And
And
last
last
but
but
not the
not the
least,
least,
guys,
guys,
mastering
mastering
Supercharge
Supercharge
Excel in
Excel and
AI tool
AI
in
tool in
Excel,
Excel,
which can
which can
create
create
reports,
reports,
Excel
Excel
dashboards
dashboards
on a
on a
click of a
click of a
button with
button
your
with your
own
own
data
data
without worrying
without
about
worrying
data
about data
security,
security,
without worrying
without
about
worrying about
data
data
privacy.
privacy.
Here you are going
You're
to
going to
see
see
how
how
using AI
using AI
tool
tool
won't
won't
affect any
affect any
copyright
copyright
issues or
issues
any
or any
plagiarism
plagiarism
issues,
issues,
or do
or do
not have
not
to
have
worry
to
about
worry about
data
data
security and
security
data
and data
privacy.
privacy. All
I'm going to
I'm
show
going to
you
show you
proper
proper
compliance
compliance
where you can
where you
use
can
it in
use
your
it in your
office as
office
well
as well
without worrying
without
about
worrying about
anything. No
anything.
one
No
can
one can
stop you.
stop you.
And guys,
And
see
guys, see
this.
this.
This kind
This
of
kind of
outputs for
outputs for
people who are
people who are
working on
working on
boring
boring
Excel, you
Excel.
can
You can
create this
create
kind
this
of
kind of
things in
things
click
in
of a
click of a
button.
button.
You just
You
have to
just have
tell
to tell
AI to
AI to
what to
what to
do,
do,
and AI
and
will
AI
do it
will do
for
it
you.
for you.
And
And
last but not the least, you're going to get certifications where you will be someone who will be tagging me with your projects, with your certifications on LinkedIn. I will be personally vouching for it. I'm going to endorse your skills as well, so your recruiters can verify that as well. 12 amazing learnings in just 3 days, plus recordings will be given in one single boot camp. Now, guys, I know many people would be excited. Many people would be like, Hardik, I want to go for that. What's the solution? Hardik, where is the link to register?
But
But before even I reveal the price, before I share the link to register for that,
let
me tell you,
I'm
I'm
adding
adding three bonuses especially for you guys to make this 100% success guaranteed program for you.
Hardik,
Hardik, what are those bonuses? First bonus is going to save you 7,000 rupees in hard cash for lifetime.
Because
Because
here
here you are getting specific job profile wise Excel automation templates 474 free of cost. Plus you are getting 10,000 work reducing 10,000 plus PowerPoint presentation templates editable as per your company brand colors and brand themes. Free of cost, worth 6,000 free for lifetime.
Third,
Third, top
top
50
50
resume
resume
templates
templates
of
of
top
top
50
50
professionals in our
professionals in our
community who
community
have
who have
got
got
jobs in
jobs in
Meta,
Meta,
Google,
Google,
Amazon,
Amazon,
top of
top
the
of the
companies.
companies.
You will
You
be
will be
given a
given a
Word
Word
document
document
in a
in a
editable
editable
format
format
worth
worth
3000
3,000
rupees for
rupees for
absolutely free
absolutely
of
free of
cost.
cost.
And this
And
is
this is
where
where
you
you
see the
see the
testimonials, you
testimonials, you
see the
see
pro
the pro
achieved
achieved
using this
using this
3-day
3-day
AI
AI
mastery
mastery
bootcamp.
bootcamp.
And guys,
And
these
guys,
are
these are
all
all
things. See,
things.
these
See, these
people, my
people, my
professional life
professional
have
life have
started
started
using it.
using it.
Complex
Complex
scripting made
scripting made
engaging.
engaging.
And there are
And there are
people who are
people
like,
who are like,
Hardik, how to
Hardik, how
use
to
AI
use
tools,
AI tools,
growth in their
growth in their
career, high
career, high
income
income
packages. There are
packages. There are
people who have
people who have
written
written
detailed
detailed
feedbacks. There are
feedbacks. There
people
are
who have
people who have
said it's
said
a
it's a
paisa
paisa
vasool
vasool
experience.
experience.
And there are
And there
so
are
many
so
people,
many
there are
people, there are
thousands of
thousands
people
of
like
people
that.
like that.
And guys,
And guys,
recently,
recently,
this is a
this is
new
a new
batch in the
batch in the
month of
month of
July.
July.
Recently, we have
Recently, we have
completed
completed
one
one
batch
batch
in the
in the
month of
month of
June,
June,
where I
where I
wanted to
wanted
show
to
you
show you
guys. There are
guys. There are
people who have
people who have
shared their
shared their
live
live
testimonials. If I
testimonials. If
just
I
show you,
just show
see
you,
this.
see this.
There are
There are
94% who have
94% of
liked that.
like
And
that.
see
And
this, the
see this, the
entire
entire
session was
session
so
was so
amazing. These are
amazing. These are
live
live
testimonials.
testimonials.
3-day
3-day
AI
AI
Mastery
Mastery
Bootcamp is
Bootcamp
very
is very
useful and
useful and
life
life
changing.
changing.
2 day
2 day
ago, we
ago,
have
we have
completed one
completed one
batch.
batch.
There are
There are
people who have
people
said
who have
it
said
was
it was
amazing.
amazing.
3-day
3-day
live
live
session of
session of
scalation,
escalation,
basically
basically
mastery of
mastery
AI
of
tools
AI
and
tools and
software. I
software. I
explored
explored
power of
power
AI
of
and its
AI and its
application.
application.
I also get
Also
the
get the
notes
notes
of the
of the
bootcamp, got
bootcamp,
the
got the
live
live
recordings for
recordings for
future
future
references. So
references. So
literally, I
literally, I
enjoyed it.
enjoyed it.
And this is
And
all
this is all
happening in the
happening in the
month of
month of
31st. See
31st.
this
See this
last month.
last month.
See this.
See this. Stupendous
Stupendous to
to
learn data
learn data
analysis
analysis
using AI.
using AI.
And there are
And there are
so many
so
people.
many
There are
people. There are
94%
94%
people who have
people who
given
have given
almost
almost
5-star
5-star
rating to me.
rating to me.
And that is
And that
what
is
you are
what
going
you are
to
going
get
to
it.
get
Now,
it.
if
Now,
I
if I
come to
come
the
to the
main
main
part which
part
you are
which you are
waiting for,
waiting for,
Hardik, I
Hardik, I
get to
get
know
to
it's
know
a
it's a
3-day
3-day
event,
event,
completely
completely
live,
live.
recordings will be
Recordings will be
provided.
provided.
Hardik, I
Hardik, I
know it's a
know it's a
backed by
backed by
100%
100%
money back
money back
guarantee.
guarantee.
Hardik, I
Hardik,
know
I
you are
know you are
providing
providing
bonuses of
bonuses of
16,000
16,000
rupees.
rupees.
Hardik, I
Hardik, I
know there are
know there are
12
12
learnings.
learnings.
But
But
Hardik,
Hardik,
what's the
what's the
price of
price
this
of this
bootcamp?
bootcamp?
Now,
Now,
guys, if we
guys, if we
compare this
compare this
bootcamp with
bootcamp with
industry
industry
standards,
standards,
just like a
just like a
diploma
diploma
program or
program or
AI
AI
certification
certification
program,
program,
the
the
cost of
cost
this
of this
bootcamp is
bootcamp is
40,500
40,500
for
for
those
those
people who
people
are
who are
outside the
outside the
community.
community.
You are
You are
now
now
already
already
part of
part
Skill
of Skill
Nation
Nation
family. You have
family. You have
enrolled for
enrolled
this
for
free
this free
webinar. You have
webinar. You have
spent
spent
so much
so
of
much
your
of your
time with
time with
me.
me.
And if
And
you
if you
want
want
a
a
special
special
discount
discount
just for
just for
today
today
on this
on this
call,
call,
I'm
I'm
giving
giving
you
you
an
an
insane
insane
90%
90%
discount.
discount.
That's
That's
just
just
rupees
rupees
1999.
1999.
Guys,
Guys,
ask for
ask for
yourself.
yourself.
Last
Last
time
time
when you
when
had
you had
gone to a
gone to a
restaurant
restaurant
with your
with your
family,
family,
I'm
I'm
pretty much
pretty
sure
much sure
this was
this
the
was the
approx bill
approx bill
amount which
amount
you would
which you
have
would
get
have
for
get
5
for
to
5
6
to 6
people.
people.
If you would
If you
have
would have
gone
gone
last time
last
for a
time for a
shopping
shopping
in a
in a
proper
proper
store where
store
you
where
have
you have
taken one
taken one
jeans,
jeans,
one
one
kurti or
kurti or
whatever the
whatever the
case is,
case is,
you might
you
have
might have
spent
spent
1000,
1,000,
115,
115,
1500
1,500
rupees, right?
rupees, right?
And guys,
And guys,
this is
this is
just
just
2000
2,000
inclusive of
inclusive of
GST for
GST
a
for a
3-day
3-day
bootcamp which is
bootcamp which is
happening on
happening on
5th,
5th,
6th,
6th,
7th of
7th of
July
July
of
of
2024,
2024,
like in
like
the
in the
next
next
month,
month,
consist of
consist of
everything
everything
plus
plus
bonuses for
bonuses for
16,000.
16,000.
But guys,
But guys,
since it's
since
a
it's a
boot
boot
camp
camp
where I
where I
require my
require my
personal
personal
attention, there will
attention, there
be
will be
people who are
people who are
gathering, going
gathering,
to
going to
interact on
interact
Zoom
on
chat.
Zoom
We are
chat.
going
We are
to
going to
interact in the
interact in the
WhatsApp group
WhatsApp
as
group
well.
as well.
So I want
So
to
I want to
keep it
keep
for
it for
specific
specific
people. I
people. I
don't want
don't want
everyone to
everyone to
join
join
in
in
this
this
particular
particular
batch
batch
at
at
just
just
rupees
rupees
one
one
triple
triple
nine for the
nine for the
first 50
first 50
people.
people.
Guys,
Guys,
Hardik,
Hardik,
how can I
how
go
can I
1694,
1694,
which is
which is
backed by
backed by
100%
100%
guarantee
guarantee
plus
plus
GST
GST
invoice will
invoice
be
will be
provided.
provided.
And let me
And
tell
let
you
me
one
tell you
more
one
thing
more
which
thing
will blow
which
your
will blow
mind.
your mind.
If you're
If you're
someone who's like,
someone who's like
Hardik, I
Hardik, I
don't want
don't
to
want
miss
to
out
miss
on
out
this,
on
but
this, but
Hardik,
Hardik,
as a
as a
working
working
professional,
professional,
I have
I have
some
some
prior
prior
commitments on
commitments on
5th, 5th, 6th, and 7th of July. You can still make the payment on this link and you will be given a different batch without any batch transfer fees, without any question asked, with full 100% money secured. Like your money is not going to waste if you don't attend it. You can attend it in some other batch. Until and unless you don't attend it, we are going to give you batch transfer. So your money is secure with us. So do not worry about that. We are a well-renowned company. We have generated crores of revenue, hundreds of crores of revenue in past 3 years. So do not worry. Rest assured, you can make the payment. If you don't like it, I will give you your 2,000 back. You can see itself 90 days, 35.62 lakhs, 28,000. So no worries. Take your time. It's your call. I'm giving you decision in your hand. If you want to change your life, if you want to achieve something using AI in your life, it's your call. You make the payment. You get into the batch. We are anyways going to conduct the batch on 5th, 6th, and 7th of July. Now, guys, all the people are waiting for confirmation. All the people who have made the payment, can you please drop me your names in the chat, please? Mohammed has done it. Mohammed has done it. Chalo. Bhavin Mistry has done it. Smriti has done it. Bhargavi has done it. And Jamin has done it. Sanit has done it. Now
Now,
guys,
guys,
almost like
almost
we have
like we
got
have got
15
15
registration,
registration,
5
5
seats
seats
left.
left.
The
The
people have
people have
said
said
their
their
names in the
names in the
Zoom chat,
Zoom
like
chat, like
Ravindra,
Ravindra,
then there is
then there is
Shaurya,
Shaurya,
Shring, and
Shring, and
everyone.
everyone.
I want
I
to
want
ask
to
one
ask one
question.
question.
Do you
Do you
want a
want a
gift right
gift
now
right
of
now of
2000
2000
rupees?
rupees?
Hard
Hard
cash.
cash.
Do you want to get
To
it?
get it.
Gift
Gift
from my
from
side
my
of
side of
2000
2000
rupees.
rupees.
Now guys,
Guys,
I'm going
I'm
to
going
tell
to
you
tell
one
you
thing.
one thing.
This is
This is
why
why
I've
I've
named
named
my
my
company name
company name
Skill
Skill
Nation.
Nation.
And see
And
this
see this,
guys.
guys.
2000,
2000,
all the
all the
15
15
people who have
people who
said
have
their
said their
names, like
names,
I
like I
forgot the
forgot the
name,
name,
Arvind,
Arvind,
Shaurya, many
Shaurya. Many
people have
people have
paid,
paid,
paid
paid
already.
already.
You have
You
paid
have paid
2000
2000
inclusive of your
inclusive
friend.
friend.
It can
It
be your
can be your
father,
father.
it can
It
be your
can be your
brother,
brother.
it can be
It
your
can be your
sister, it
sister.
can be
It
your
can be your
mother,
mother.
it can
It
be your
can be your
husband, it
husband.
can
It
be your
can be your
wife, it
wife.
can be
It
your
can be your
son, it
son.
can be
It
your
can be your
daughter, it
daughter.
can be your
It can be your
girlfriend or
girlfriend or
boyfriend as well.
boyfriend as well.
2000 rupees
2000 rupees
golden ticket
golden
given
ticket
for
given for
free.
free.
How many
How
now
many now
believe in
believe
Skill
in Skill
Nation?
Nation?
That
That
our
our
name is
name is
literal Skill
literal Skill
Nation,
Nation,
and we
and we
literally
literally
have to
have to
build our
build our
nation.
nation.
We need
We
to
need to
upskill
upskill
everyone.
everyone.
Are you
Are you
happy? All
happy?
the
All the
people have
people have
made the
made the
payment.
payment.
No
No
additional
additional
fees for
fees for
one
one
golden
golden
ticket. So
ticket. So
two
two
event
event
tickets,
tickets,
one for
one
you
for you
and one
and
for
one
your
for your
loved
loved
ones.
ones. Those
17
17
people I'm going
people
to
I'm going to
ask you
ask
this.
you
All
this.
the
All the
Aryan and all
Aryan
of
and
the
all of
people
the
who have
people
made
who
the
have made the
payment.
payment.
Nabil
Bill
Sakshi
Sakshi
saying,
saying,
Bhavin,
Bhavin,
Arvind
Arvind
struggling.
struggling.
How
How
about this,
about this,
guys?
guys?
Along with
Along with
this,
this,
those
those
20
20
people will
people
get
will get
one more
one more
access to a
access to a
3-day
3-day
financial
financial
accelerator
accelerator
masterclass.
masterclass.
Are you happy with
Happy
that?
with that?
A
A
3-day
3-day
invite
invite
only
only
event,
event,
free of
free of
cost.
cost.
Pratham Dubey,
To be
very
very
simple.
simple,
Golden ticket
golden
means
ticket
you can
means you can
invite one
invite
more
one more
member
member
along with
along
you at
with you
just
at just
2000
2000
rupees.
rupees.
So
So
ideally,
ideally,
one
one
person ka
person
fees
ka
is
fees
just
is just
1000
1000
rupees.
rupees.
Now, guys, I'm
Guys,
just
I'm
going to
just going
close
to
the
close
chat
the chat
box.
box.
Ek minute.
Ek minute.
Someone is
Someone is
spamming.
spamming.
Sagar
Sagar
Baba, your
Baba,
payment
your
has
payment
came
has
to me.
came to
No
me.
need
No
to
need to
spam.
spam.
If I'm
If
not
I'm not
taken your
taken
name,
your name,
chill
chill
Baba.
Baba.
All
All
your
your
payment has
payment
came
has
to
came
me
to me
only.
only.
Guys,
Guys,
this
this
financial
financial
accelerator,
accelerator,
which is
which
will
is
be
will be
given to
given to
first
first
20
20
people,
people,
will be
will be
worth
worth
rupees
rupees
15,000.
15,000.
But it
But
will
it
be
will be
free for
free
you.
for you.
It will
It
be
will be
free for
free for
you
you
for
for
absolutely free
absolutely
of
free
cost.
of
You did
cost. You
not
did
have to
not
pay a
have to pay a
single
single
rupee.
rupee.
This is
This
the
is the
whole
whole
package.
package.
Two
Two
surprise
surprise
bonus. I
bonus.
just
I just
wanted to
wanted to
see how
see
many
how
people
many
are
people are
trusting in
trusting in
us.
us.
The
The
people who
people
are
who are
already, those
already, those
17 people
17
who are
people who have
already
already
trusted,
trusted,
I've given
I've
you
given
two
you two
insane
insane
value
value
for
for
which you
which you
haven't paid
haven't
my
paid my
friend.
friend.
You have
You have
already
already
made
made
the
the
payment.
payment.
After that,
After
I'm
that, I'm
revealing two
revealing two
surprises,
surprises,
which is
which is
worth
worth
19,000
19,000
plus
plus
15,000
15,000
additional.
additional.
All of
All
this
of
for the
this for the
first
first
20
20
people
people
at
at
just rupees
just rupees
1,999, where you
1,999, where
can
you can
claim
claim
your
your
GST
GST
back of
back of
300
300
rupees.
rupees.
So
So
I
I
can
can
connect with
connect
me
with
on
me
this.
on
I'm
this. I'm
sharing the
sharing
link
the
in the
link in
Zoom
the Zoom
chat.
chat.
You can
You can
connect with
connect
me. You
with me.
can
You can
DM me.
DM me.
And if you're
And if you're
someone who's a
someone who's a
working
working
professional, you're
professional,
not
you're not
using
using
Instagram,
Instagram,
I'm
I'm
sharing my
sharing my
LinkedIn
LinkedIn
ID as
ID
well.
as
Here
well.
is
Here
it.
is it.
See guys,
See,
this
guys,
is
this
how
is
I'm
how I'm
getting
getting
so many
so many
requests. Like,
requests. Like,
so I
so
have
I have
almost
almost
10,000,
10,000,
11,000
11,000
connections. You
connections.
can
You can
connect with
connect
me
with
on
me
that.
on that.
I'm very
I'm very
active on
active on
LinkedIn. You
LinkedIn.
can
You can
DM me
DM me
directly
directly
once I
once I
connect,
connect,
accept your
accept your
connection
connection
request.
request.
So I'm
So I'm
sharing both
sharing
the
both the
profiles. See
profiles.
this.
See this.
And guys,
And guys,
again, see
again,
this.
see
There are
this. There are
almost
almost
11,500
11,500
members. I'm
members. I'm
sharing this
sharing
as
this
well.
as well.
You can
You can
become my
become my
social
social
media
media
family ka
family ka
part as
part
well.
as well.
If you are
If you are
someone who's
someone who is
not going
not
through the
going through the
boot camp,
boot camp,
boot camp
boot camp
people
people
chill.
chill.
We are going
We
to
are going to
become
become
part of a
part of a
private
private
WhatsApp
WhatsApp
group where
group
we
where
can
we can
chat
chat
also.
also.
But this
But
is
this
for
is for
only
only
people
people
who are
who
like,
are like,
Hardik, I
Hardik,
like
I
the way
like
you
the way you
teach. I want
teach.
to
I want
stay
to stay
connected with
connected
you.
with
I
you.
want
I
to
want to
like
like
have you
have
as a
you as a
connection.
connection.
So you can
So you can
follow me on
Instagram.
Instagram. I've
I've
shared my
shared my
Instagram
Instagram
ID
ID
and I've
and I've
shared my
shared my
LinkedIn
LinkedIn
ID
ID
as well.
as well.
ठीक है?
ठीक है?
And by the
And
way,
by the
guys,
way,
see
guys,
this.
see
I
this.
will
I
just
will
show
just
you
show you
quickly
quickly
live on
live on
notifications.
notifications.
You're going to
You're
get
going
a
to get a
certification like
certification like
this.
this.
See this.
See
This
this.
was
This was
for the
for the
last
last
co-pilot ka
co-pilot ka
webinar
webinar
3 weeks
3
ago.
weeks ago.
This
This
person is
person is
Sanjay.
Sanjay.
You will
You
get
will
a
get a
certificate like
certificate
this.
like this.
Microsoft
Microsoft
Copilot. It
Copilot.
will be
It will be
signed by
signed
me.
by me.
The date
The
will
date
be
will
there.
be there.
This was
This
in the
was in the
month of
month
May,
of May,
last May.
last
This
May.
is
This is
6th of
6th
June.
of June.
आप लोग को
आप लोग
6
को
जून
6
का
जून का
मिलेगा.
मिलेगा.
Signed by
Signed
me.
by
You
me.
can
You can
post it on
post it on
LinkedIn. You
LinkedIn.
can
You can
tag me,
tag
and I
me,
will
and I
be
will
one
be
who
one
will
who will
endorse it,
endorse
and
it,
I
and
will
I
be
will be
one who
one
will
who will
reply
reply
on your
on your
comment as
comment
well.
as
ठीक
well.
है?
ठीक है?
So you will
So you
get
will
some
get
good
some good
reach
reach
because I
because I
already have
already have
11,000
11,000
followers.
followers.
समझ गया?
समझ
Is
गया?
that
Is that
cool? Is
cool?
that
Is that
understood?
understood?
Now
Now,
certificate किधर
certificate किधर
मिलेगा? I will
मिलेगा? I
tell
will
you.
tell
But
you. But
is this
is this
clear?
clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Perfect. Crazy.
Crazy.
Yes.
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 Clear.
Clear.
Perfect.
Perfect.
Clear,
Clear,
boss.
boss.
Cool.
Cool.
How do
How
I
do I
contact you
contact you
personally? You
personally? You
can
can
write me on
write me on
LinkedIn.
LinkedIn.
ठीक है?
ठीक है?
I don't
I
have a
don't have a
LinkedIn
LinkedIn
account.
account.
Reach out
Reach
to me
out
on
to me on
Instagram.
Instagram.
ठीक है?
ठीक है?
Yeah, made everyone day. Thank you.
you.
Now
Now,
guys,
guys,
I'm closing the chat
chat
box.
box.
I'm going to
I'm going to
open
open
an
an
Excel
Excel
file. I
file.
want
I
to
want to
explain you
explain you
something.
something.
Now guys,
Now, guys,
before I
before
just
I just
explain you
explain you
something,
something,
let me
let me
just
just
open
open
the
the
attendance
attendance
sheet.
sheet.
एक मिनट
एक
दो
मिनट
मेरे
दो
को
मेरे को
सिर्फ.
सिर्फ.
Just a
Just a
sec.
sec.
Mm,
Uh,
what's the
what's the
case?
case?
Just a
Just a
sec.
sec.
Okay.
Okay.
Now guys,
Guys,
today is
today is
6th of
6th
June,
of June,
Thursday.
Thursday.
I will
I will
just
just
write
write
today,
today,
6th
6th
June.
June.
Tomorrow is
Tomorrow is
7th
7th
June.
June.
7th
7th
June.
June.
You will get your
Get your
certificate
certificate
in the
in the
WhatsApp group.
WhatsApp group.
So
So
certificate will
certificate
be
will be
given in the
given in the
WhatsApp group
WhatsApp group
via
via
form. You have
form.
to
You
fill
have to
that
fill that
form and you
form
will
and
get
you
a
will get a
certificate in the
certificate in the
WhatsApp group
WhatsApp group
itself
itself
plus on your
plus on
email
your email
address.
address.
Today is
Today is
6th of
6th of
June. In
June.
the
In the
next 2
next
hours, 2
2
hours,
hours,
2 hours,
hours
you
you
will
will
get bonus.
bonus.
So is
So
this
is this
clear?
clear?
Both the
Both the
instruction?
instruction
2 hours,
2
like
hours.
right
Like
now
right
it's
now it's
9:30,
9:30.
almost like
Almost like
11 tak
11
we
tak
will
we will
send the
send the
bonus in the
bonus in the
WhatsApp group
WhatsApp
and
group
on your
and on
email
your email
address.
address.
And
And
plus
plus
on
on
next day,
next
which
day,
is
which is
tomorrow,
tomorrow,
you will
you
get
will
your
get your
certificate like
certificate
this.
like
I've
this.
shown
I've
you.
shown
See,
you.
this
See,
will
this
be your
will be your
certificate. Where
certificate.
is
Where is
your
your
EID? This
EID?
is
This
like
is like
certificate like
certificate
this
like
on
this
your
on
name.
your
You have
name.
to
You have
just
to
fill
just
out
fill
one
out one
form and you
form
will
and you
get
will
the
get the
certificate. Is
certificate.
that
Is
cool?
that cool?
Can I
Can I
mention you on
mention you on
Insta?
Insta?
Prashant
Prashant
Kumar,
Kumar,
Prashant
Prashant
Parmar?
Parmar?
Yes, you
Yes,
can.
you can.
ठीक है?
ठीक है?
Cool.
Cool.
Everything
Everything
sorted.
sorted.
Hadik, how many
How many
series
series
left?
left?
I think
I
one
think
or
one
two
or two
CT
CT
left.
left.
ठीक है? Have you
Okay, have
got
you
my
got my
money? You
money?
have
You
got
have
my
got my
money?
money?
Yes,
Yes,
yes.
yes.
ठीक है? Have you got
Have you
my
got my
payment?
payment?
Yes.
Yes.
No worries.
No worries.
अरे
अरे
यार,
यार,
you want
you want
link
link
again क्या?
again?
Just
क्या?
a
Just a
second.
second.
I'm
I'm
sharing the
sharing
link
the link
again.
again.
Take
Take
the
the
link
link
right now.
right
ठीक
now.
है?
ठीक है?
Here is the
Here is
link.
the link.
Shaurya Singh,
Shaurya
what do
Singh,
you
what
want
do
me
you
to
want me to
explain
explain
again?
again?
चलो check
Check
LinkedIn का
LinkedIn का
request है. I
request है. I
almost got
almost got
50 लोग
50
का
लोग का
request
request
already. I will
already. I
do
will
it
do it
after the
after the
workshop.
workshop.
Have you
Have
got
you
my
got my
payment?
payment?
Yes.
Yes.
You are not
You are not
responding. Mohit
responding. Mohit
Kumar, what do
Kumar,
you
what
want
do
me
you
to
want me to
say? बोलो.
say? बोलो.
ठीक है?
ठीक है?
Jagdish Chaudhary,
Chaudhary,
thank you.
thank you.
Perfect.
Right.
Certification
Certification
process,
process,
just fill
just
out
fill
the
out the
form.
form.
Fill एक
Fill एक
form रहेगा
form रहेगा
Google
Google
form.
form.
Bonus in
Bonus in
next 2
next 2
hours.
hours.
Nitin
Nitin
Tiwari,
Tiwari,
yes.
yes.
Nitin
Nitin
Kalakar
Kalakar
is
is
saying
saying
you are not
you are not
accepting.
accepting.
Please
Please
see my
see
DM
my
on
DM on
Instagram. अभी
Instagram.
नहीं कर
अभी नहीं कर
सकता. I will
सकता. I will
share it
share it
after the
after the
workshop.
workshop.
Here is
Here
the
is the
final
final
offer.
offer.
ठीक है?
ठीक है?
This is the
This is the
final offer.
final offer.
What is your
What is your
website name?
website name?
Skinnation.ai.
Skinnation.ai.
Where I need to make
To make
resume for
resume
free.
for free.
Resume.io.
Resume.io.
नेक्स्ट वेबिनार
वेबिनार
कब है
कब
यार?
है
वो
यार?
तो
वो तो
देखना
देखना
पड़ेगा. मेरे को
पड़ेगा.
नहीं
मेरे को
पता.
नहीं पता.
माय
My
टीम
team
फिक्स द
fix the
शेड्यूल.
schedule.
ठीक है? Guys, I'm
Guys,
just
I'm just
waiting for
waiting
2
for two
minutes, then
minutes.
we'll
Then
end the
we'll end the
webinar.
webinar.
ठीक है?
ठीक है?
Participation
Participation
certificate
certificate
tomorrow.
tomorrow.
Thank you so much,
So
sir.
much, sir.
Okay, bye
Okay,
bye.
bye bye.
चलो,
चलो
closing the
closing the
share.
share.
Tada, bye
Tada, bye
bye.
bye.
Okay, bye
Okay,
bye,
bye
bye
bye,
bye,
bye
bye bye.
bye.